Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I want to show you how to unarchive accounts on Exness. So first you just need to open your Exness application on your device, then enter the passcode here, and you just need to tap on the profile name or the account name or the account code and the drop down option here, icon here, and as soon as you click on it, it will appear a pop-up account section where you will get all the accounts details from here. Now this is the real account in real section, and in demo section you'll find the demo accounts. So if you have archived any account before and you want to unarchive those accounts on your Exness, then you can just go to the archive option here and you'll find all the accounts that you have archived. Now if you want to unarchive, then you just need to swipe the account left just like this, and you will find the unarchive option. Then if you tap on it, then you can find the account is now unarchived on your Exness application. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.